Ngesikhathi izwe lithi lithola ukuphumula ngokukhuleka njengoba isusiwe imigomo yokunqanda iCovid-19, abantu baseNingizimu Afrika bahlasele uhlelo lokucisha kongugesi okwenza impilo ibenzima. Ukunqoba kwamaBhokisi njengoba benza ngesikhathi ephakamisa iWeb Ellis Cup eJapan ngo-2019 kwenza izakhamuzi zakuleli ziziqhenye.
When the Springboks play in the weekend, it feels like when I was at school, it just feels like everything is okay for that moment. You know, people are excited to go to work. It doesn't take away your problems, but it makes you feel okay for a couple of minutes. Some people, it makes people smile, you know, and it gives you something positive to talk about.
AmaBhokisi azi kahle ukuthi ukunqoba ngeke kuze kube lula uma ebhekene neqembu iWales elaziwa ngokuzimisela, kodwa uKolisi uthi leni inselela abayilungele.
Knowing the players that I've played against in the field and I've felt how it feels like to play against Wales, they're not gonna be thinking, you know, of giving up of any time soon, you know, and what bigger way to get out of a hole than playing against, you know, the #1 team in the world.
Abadlali ababili abangase bedlala okokuqala kumaBhokobhoko besuka ebenchini, kanti uElton Yantes uzoqala kumaBhokisi ku-fly half, futhi nakuba amaBhokisi ebheka umdlalo neWales njengesiqalo samalungiselelo wendebe yoMhlaba ngonyaka ozayo, afuna ukuqhubeka nokunqoba.
It's a build up towards the World Cup, but it's always nice as a team to build while you're winning, you know, because of, you know, in South Africa, if you don't win, the people are passionate about the game, you know. So it's very important for us to make sure that we build in a right space where we are in a winning environment.
Umdlalo ngoMgqibelo ntambama neWales uzoqala ligamenxe lesihlanu.